Mainstack just released a brand new product that will change the game for you as a creator. It's going to help you triple and even quadruple your sales. That's what we've seen from the data that we received so far. And that is the Mainstack Checkout AI. Now, you might be wondering, what is Checkout AI? I'm here to answer all of the questions. But first, let me talk about the problem. So if you're a creator right now, chances are you're selling data products and you are selling in more than one country. You're selling to people globally, because that is what Mainstack is for. We enable creators like yourself sell products beyond their borders. In fact, on Mainstack right now, you can receive payments from literally anywhere in the world and receive your payments in a stable currency like the US dollars. But what we've seen for a lot of creators is that you have your business already set up elsewhere. Maybe you have your own website and you necessarily do not want to redirect people to Mainstack platform to receive your payments, and you just want to have a consistent brand and consistent feel across all the footprints you have on the internet. So that's why we created Checkout AI. Now, Checkout AI lets you embed the Mainstack payment infrastructure on your website, and you can get paid on your website without having to redirect your customers. It focuses on conversions and helps you triple and even quadruple your sales than you currently do right now. So that is the Mainstack Checkout AI in a nutshell. So what do you need to do in order to be able to receive payments on your website using Mainstack? Of course, the first thing you need to do is to go sign up on Mainstack. It's going to be the first link in the description down below. You can get started and start selling your data products for completely free. Now, the second thing you want to do is to, of course, upload a data product. Now, your data product still lives on Mainstack. You can talk about it, have a sales page on your website, but all you need to do is create a data product on Mainstack in less than 5 minutes without writing any code or having any technical knowledge whatsoever. We created a video here. You can watch it now to set up your data product on Mainstack if you want some help and guidance doing that. So once you've created your product, you will see your product show up on your storefront just like this. So this is a test product I've created. It's called Upwork 101, how to land your first freelance project on Upwork. So what you want to do next is to go here where it says edit product. So once you come to the product details, you will see right here on the page, we have about 5 different options on what you can do at the top of the page. Product details, where you can edit your product details, the description, and so on and so forth. Analytics allows you to see all of the numbers associated with the product, how many you've sold, successful sales, abandoned sales, number of views that you have. Then sales lets you see your numbers, how much have you made from your product. Then Checkout AI is a new feature that I want to introduce to you and talk about in this video specifically. Now, there's 2 ways that you can share your product and get paid with Mainstack. One is using the checkout link, when you can simply copy the link to your product and share with people and have them go to your Mainstack storefront to purchase the product. Then speed checkout allows you to accept payments directly through your website or across all your sales pages anywhere they're hosted, either on WordPress, on lead pages or system, anywhere that you have your sales page hosted. You can simply have Mainstack checkout link embedded on that page and receive payments seamlessly as well. Next is the pop-up checkout. Now, as the name implies, it's a pop-up checkout that pops up when people clicks on your link, and I'm going to demonstrate how that works in just a moment. But first of all, let's begin with a speed checkout. And on this page right here, I have a sample web page that I created just for the purpose of this video to demonstrate how checkout links and checkout pop-up and Mainstack Checkout AI work. So let's say you have this page. This is Tidy Touch cleaning service. This is just an imaginary product that we're trying to sell, and you're trying to receive payment on your page. So the first thing you want to do is to have an HTML widget, meaning you can write HTML code, whether that's on WordPress or anywhere you host your sales page on. Just make sure that you can install an HTML code. So once you come back to Mainstack, let's begin with the speed checkout. The speed checkout allows you to be able to embed payments, like I said, on your web page. So you copy the embed code right here, and on the HTML box, all you have to do is paste the link and click on save. Now let's preview the page and see what it looks like. This is what it's supposed to look like on this page right now. This is demonstration. This is what it's supposed to look like on mobile. So this is what it looks like when we preview the page. Now this is the mobile version of the page. As you can see right now, this is my checkout link on my, on my self-hosted page, and the total for the price, for the product is $20.99. All you have to do is enter your name, enter your email, phone number, then you can pay with your card. And this is what it looks like on desktop as well. And you can have other elements on this side just so it looks good. But on mobile, it's already ready to go, and you can start receiving payments on your website using Mainstack payment infrastructure. Let's talk about the pop-up AI and let's see what that looks like. So let's exit preview and let's copy the pop-up AI code and embed on the page as well. So that's copied, and now I'm going to select all, paste that, and now let's see what that looks like as a preview. Now you need to embed this in a button, so that way you're able to customize your button the way you want it to look and feel, so that it matches the brand on your website or your sales page. But this is what it looks like with bare bones, right? So you click on proceed to checkout, and boom, it simply pops up, allowing your customers to pay and for you, the merchant, to receive payments. So this is necessary if you don't want to crowd your page with a whole checkout box with name, phone number, email, and all that stuff like you saw earlier. But you just want something that is minimalistic, something that allows people to even gloss through it. They wouldn't even notice that it's there unless you want them to. So this is what the pop-up checkout looks like. You click on that, it pops up, and your users can pay you. So once you come here, you see your product is $19, and you see right here the total is 19 and the fees is $199. So all of that comes out to be a grand total of $20.99. So Checkout AI allows you to receive payments from anywhere in the world, and you, the merchant, can simply take all of Mainstack's infrastructure, embed it on your own website, so your users and your customers never have to redirect to the Mainstack website to make a purchase. So this is really good for anyone who wants independence and want to take control over how they show up online. So I hope this video has been helpful. If it has, make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave your comments down in the comment section down below. We use your feedback to improve the product and to just make it necessary changes, and everything you leave in the comments, we are reading it and we're using that to improve the experience you have on Mainstack. So go sign up in Mainstack. It's going to be the first link in the description down below. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.